I'm going to show you how easy it is to install these 3D wall panels. My office needed an upgrade, as you can see, and I finally had the time to do it. Alright, so I didn't want to cover the entire wall, as personally I don't think it looks nice. I only wanted it to go across the desk area, so I started by measuring the wall to get an idea of how high and wide I want to go based off the size of my desk. With measurements out of the way, it's time to get sticking. Some people use glue, but I didn't want to risk it spilling out in between the panels, so I went with double-sided sticky tape. I put some in each corner with some extra bits so it looked like this. Peeling off the sticky tape was the most time-consuming part, more so because I don't have long nails. It was a simple case of sticking it on, and then onto the next one, and repeat until they're all on. How much better does that look? My office has officially been pimped. Not only do I love the grey colour of these, but I love how my RGB light bar reflects onto the panels. Just love it. If you fancy getting these too, I've dropped a link to them in the description below.